Here on AMC stock. It's sitting at $7.61 at the time of this video, guys. This is up another 22% on the day, another 0.66, almost whole 1% after hours as well. But the trading volume here is almost 4 times its average trading volume. 118 million trades today so far of AMC stock compared to an average volume of 33 million. I mean, very valid reasons here why AMC stock is soaring today. The key date here is earnings tomorrow, February 28th, 2023, you guys. Earnings are coming out tomorrow for AMC, also coming out for a couple other prominent stocks as well. But very, very interesting times here with AMC. I mean, we made numerous videos here on AMC stock. Just want to make this video as concise as possible, just give you guys some very clear-cut information here. Let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. So the first one here is a surprise coming from AMC earnings, right? So the most accurate estimate for the current quarter is currently at a loss of 18 cents per share for AMC, right? This is just an estimate compared to broader Zacks consensus estimate of loss of 20 cents per share. This suggests that analysts have recently bumped up their estimates for AMC, giving this stock a Zacks earning ESP of 8.86% heading into earnings season. Now, this is important because a positive reading from Zacks earnings ESP has proven to be very powerful in producing both positive surprises and outperforming the market. Now, obviously, no one knows what's going to happen here once they release these earnings, but this is very positive sentiment, in my opinion, getting this Zacks earnings ESP score. I've seen numerous stocks have a positive earnings on Zacks ESP. And their earnings aren't what people want it to be, but at the same time, Zacks earnings ESP, like this article does say, has proven to be very powerful in proving those positive surprises. Now, AMC to post these core Q4 earnings, what's in store? Dismal admissions as well as food and beverage revenues are expected to have negatively impacted AMC's performance. However, increased average ticketing pricing is likely to have aided the company. Now, me personally, just in my personal life, I don't really go to the movies anymore. I know people that do, but a lot of people don't go to the movies anymore, right? There's just so many streaming options at home. I think COVID happening, we're almost 3 years since COVID. Like, that happening really just, in my opinion, no, the movie industry attending movie theater will not be the same compared to what it was, right? The Zacks consensus ESP, what we talked about here, but the Zacks consensus estimate for admissions and food beverages revenues are pegged at 657 million and 369 million compared with the 667 million and 381 million reported in the prior year quarter respectively, right? So you can see here, I mean, down, not crazy amount, 10 million and about, what is this, 10 million and about 16 million on each one comparatively respectively. So high costs are likely to have dented the margin in the quarter. AMC has been making comprehensive health and sanitation programs, which include enhanced cleaning procedures and upgraded air filtration efforts to ensure maximum safety for guests here. But the key thing here for me is a short squeeze on the table for AMC. Is this a possibility of another short squeeze, right? Because we're seeing the trading volume quadruple digits in just a few days. Retail investors are re-upping their bullish positions in a heavily beaten down tech and meme stocks may create an unfriendly environment for short sellers. AMC shareholders, aka the Apes, have long tried to trigger a massive short squeeze in AMC stock. Do they finally have their perfect setup? So the borrow fees here to the moon. So as of January 30th, about 23% of AMC's float is shorted. That implies that approximately 118 million shares are currently held short. However, over the past few weeks, short demand has reached the extreme levels, pushing high borrow fees to stratospheric levels as the available pool of borrowable AMC shares has shrunk considerably. The chart above points out the AMC borrow fees at one point crested over 700%. They currently sit around the 500 mark. And there are a few reasons behind the sudden surge in short demand. The market has reacted largely negatively to AMC's plans to convert the AMC preferred equity shares into AMC shares, which this here is happening, right? And there's going to be a delay, right? So there's a delay, April 27th, right? That's when they're going to hold it, April 27th. And I think with the delay, people are hoping, this can be the perfect storm for a possible short squeeze, right? You can see here, many traders are betting against AMC because of the arbitrage opportunity presented by the gap in share price between AMC's common stock and its preferred equity units. The prices of AMC and Ape are set to converge should the latter be converted to the former, which we will not know until April 27th, which from now until then, we're looking at about 2 months. Definitely a short squeeze in that time frame could potentially happen. So let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about this. Obviously, this is massive. Obviously, the trading volume AMC stock is going absolutely insane today. Please drop a like on this video, you guys. Hit the subscribe button. And as always, have a great day.